See, we open here with a gosling between my legs. They're not goslings, they're geese now. They haven't been goslings for a month or so. I don't know what the demarcation point is between goose and gosling, but they're certainly vocal. And all kinds of stuff going on. And the parents are still there and doing their duty. And there is some aggression here. Yeah, especially when I guess there's a concentrated food source. And their tongues are very dirty. So you have to wash your hands and clean your clothes. And I had my watch attacked last visit. Got mud all over it. And I am not complaining, not one bit. There's the people picnicking, picnic area back there. That's what's going on. And then we've got the Canada geese territory and the frisbee. And some people are just hanging around. And I'll get out. Okay, we've got some. Okay, here's a parent, I believe. You can still tell the difference. No, there we go. Yeah. Hey, they just grabbed my finger. My finger doesn't have any food on it. You're the one who's biting my finger, okay? And yeah, anyway, I'm trying to help out this. Okay. Now the parent is getting crowded out. I'm not even sure who the parents are at this point. This one I'm sure is. Yeah, because this one is, no, you get it like that. And they're grabbing my shirt sleeve, and I don't know how safe this is. Okay. You've had enough. As wonderful though you may be. Oh, they put their wings up. They want to be flying one of these days. Okay. I'm just going to I have to keep a reserve of the wild bird seed to protect myself from an onslaught, whatever, of these monsters here. It's amazing what just a couple months or whatever it is, how big they have gotten. Something like, if you had a kid, he'd be, imagine you have a baby and 2 months later he's 6 feet tall. Okay. Well, I'm going to move down to, oh, they're after me. I can't, I'm not safe. I'm not safe because they're hi there. Hi. Yeah. Okay. And they have failed to notice that my pouch is open with the bird seed inside. Yeah. And some look at me with hope. Ah, there's a parent being chased by, no, is that parent? I can't tell. Hi, Di. Oh, I'm sorry for the camera. Got a little grass in your bill there. Yeah. Hi. Oh, ooh. You see, we've got this aggression. See? I'm under attack here. Oh, my finger. Yeah. It doesn't have any food in it. There's no food. This is not food. This is not food, you guys. Really, it's not. Look it. Okay. Okay. Do you mind? Not really, no. If there's food involved, I can do no wrong. But they are attacking each other. I guess this is a new stage of their maturation. All this, and I think the seed might precipitate it because, but I don't know. It's just a. They didn't used to do this at all. Now they are fighting and for I guess position for rank to see who's in charge here. Yeah. Okay, here we're going to have another one of those wild things. There it goes. Oh. Oh. There's a little duck here is holding out. Holding out. Yeah. Shy. See? This one is timid. Okay. Yeah. And smaller than the others. This is not part of the group, I think, just because you look at the neck and the pattern is different. Either the last one hatched or something, but this is a smaller bird, less mature, maybe from just wandered in. Okay, and no, you share here. Okay. Yeah, well. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Hi. How far are these away from me, would you say? Like, in contact, right? Yeah. I'm going to trap your beak if you're not careful here. Ouch! Ouch, 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 ouch. Yeah. What do you say? Huh? Huh? Yeah? 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 You're after food. You don't think I'm dangerous, do you? You do. This little guy here. First one of these is I have. This one here. This little baby. First one I've seen that seems to be afraid of me. Don't peck that little bird, okay? Hey, don't grab my glasses. Yeah, okay. And don't fight each other, okay? Hi. Okay. I will get you some food. Yeah, I'm going to get you some food. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm through. Okay. Hi. Hi. Hey. That is my shirt. It is not edible. Okay. I'm getting up. Okay. I can't. I give up. I give up. I have to leave. Okay. This is it. Okay. Goodbye.